Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I am going to demonstrate you how to deploy your file to Git repository and from Git repository to web app. So if you have code already present in the Git, so you can skip these steps, otherwise you can follow me. So we have to create the Git. So just click on the create Git repository. Now you can, I am already logged in, otherwise if you are not logged in, so you have to first log in, then choose the repository name, your owner, and then create and push. It will take some time, so it will be automatically pushed into your Git repository. Now my code is already pushed into the Git repository in the master branch. Now I am going to create the web app. So go to my app services. Now create web app, create rs my web app, create new one, then my web app rs my web app git. We can use the my web git. Now the .NET version is 9, the Windows platform. So here we can confirm, okay, we our code is successfully pushed to the master branch. So that's easy. Now here I can change India Central, then plan. That it will take some time to configure. Now click on the create button. Now go to resource and then go to deployment center. Then choose your Git repository. So I have deployed into the Git, so I can choose the Git. Now I'm already login. If you not log in here, so you have to log in it. So I can choose my name, then choose the repository. So I have created the my web app. There is a my web app. So you can confirm it is a similar my web app on Git. Now branch is the master branch. Add a workflow new file to in this repository. So you can choose this option .NET 9.0, then basic authentication. Now preview the file. So it automatically generate the pipeline. We will discuss on this on the subsequent videos, because we have to create a separate video for how to create the pipeline. So just it is for review. You have to, it is a created a two-step pipeline, one for you can publish and one for deployment. So we will discuss on detail in this pipeline. So you can just close it. Here it gives the basic authentication error. So we have to go to settings, then configurations, then here SMS SCM basic authentication publish credential, so we can allow it. Now apply. Now again go to the deployment center, then again choose the GitHub. I'm already logged in, that's why it's showing. Otherwise you have to log in. Then repository, so my web app, I can choose here in the Git master branch. Now as you can just refresh this, so you will see the steps of your deployment, your application. Okay, what is the steps? Your application is building, then deploying. So job is started, action, all the application, all the steps that mentioned in the YML file, it will be executed here. Okay, so you can check the each step. It failed, so you can check where is the exactly the error. So it will be run and compile in. in your Git. Once it's all done, it will change the status to the successful. So let's check. Now it's building, then publish, then uploading the artifact, setups, checkout, then job complete. So we can go here and just refresh it. So it's in progress still. It will take some time. You can click on still in progress. Deployment, the second step. Deployment to the Azure is a web apps. Then job complete. The build and deploy both are successfully completed. So we just refresh it. Status is will be changed to success. Now you can check the app log. It will show all the steps it performed. Now we have to go to overview and just hit this domain URL. It will show the hello world. Now if what happen if I make any changes, let's say I can change hello world git example and try to commit it. So git example. So when you just push, go to because the git YAML file is created, that's why it will ask for the first push and then you have to commit. Now we can just refresh this. Nothing is to happen. Now you have to come here, then again go to the deployment center. Now as you can see, the another pipeline is running when you commit it. So you can just click on this. So you can see another pipeline is running. Again is building the entire application, then deploy it. So just wait the setup, then all the activity performed again and again whenever you make the commit. So it will be automatically, you have to just it commit it and the automatically entire cycle of the deployment is completed without the intervention. So it's a complete pipeline. Now build is successful. Now go to the deployment and the deployment is started. So as you can see, deployed to the Azure Web App. Now it's deploying. The job is complete. Now you can go here and just refresh. So it will say success. So now you have to refresh this page again. So here the changes will be reflected. So in this way, if your application is present into the Git repository or any other repository, so you can make the automated with this pipeline and deploy into the Azure Web App.